AgriPure's best Panax ginseng supplement is a 300 mg capsules with ginsenosides that are 100% effective as well as safe. It is made under the surveillance and guidance of experts and doctors. Also, it is a clinically tested product. Our Panax ginseng extracts capsules have lots of benefits that I'm going to tell you later, so stay connected. Come, let me give you a brief overview of what is Panax ginseng and its benefits. Panax ginseng is a nutritious plant that grows in Korea, northeastern China, and far eastern Siberia. Panax is an ancient herb whose roots are used in making medicines because of its excellent medical properties. This is a short plant that grows slowly and it has fleshy roots. Ginseng is harvested from 4 to 6 years depending on its type. Ginseng contains compound named ginsenosides that have amazing health benefits. This herb has lots of capabilities, out of which increase energy, stamina, strength and to give the immune system a boost are the main highlights. 9 potential benefits of Panax ginseng. Number 1. Slows down the aging process. Panax ginseng has an amazing capability to prevent the premature aging process. Roots of this Ayurvedic herb have antioxidant properties that prevent and fights from environment-free radicals that can cause various cellular damages inside our body. Also, Panax ginseng roots have phytonutrients which is essential for enhancing skin's metabolism rate and prevents wrinkles. It releases collagen in the skin that makes your skin more toned and elastic. So, this is how your ginseng makes your skin healthier and reduces skin-related disorders. Number 2. Helps in getting relief from erectile dysfunction. Panax ginseng roots are very effective for improving male sexual dysfunction. Ginseng roots are a strong aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac is a food or drug that is capable of increasing a response or desire. That's why it is beneficial in getting relief from sexual problems like erectile dysfunction, ED. Also, some studies have proven that ginseng is capable of reducing oxidative stress in blood vessels. That results in opening blockages and enhancing blood flow in penile muscles. Number 3. Reduce appetite and weight control. If you are on a diet or medication or practicing some exercise to lose weight, the Panax ginseng supplement will help in weight control. Now you must be confused about what I'm saying. Let me make it clear. See, losing weight is easier, but weight control is the most difficult part, as the body always tries to regain whatever it loses. So, our Panax ginseng supplement will help you in controlling your hunger that will eventually lower the calories intake. That's why Panax ginseng extracts are beneficial in fighting obesity and maintaining proper body weight. Number 4. Ginseng benefits for hair. Ginseng is also beneficial in improving blood flow in the scalp, and, as you know, blood acts as a carrier and carries essential nutrients and oxygen that is essential in better hair growth. Also, it strengthens and improves hair regeneration ability and rejuvenates hair growth. Number 5. Helps in maintaining better heart health. Panax ginseng increases blood circulation in the body and this results in improving heart health. Also, ginseng roots help in oxidation of LDL cholesterol levels. So, for patients who are suffering from heart disorders must consume ginseng for better heart health. Number 6. Relieving menstrual cramps and benefits for perimenopausal women, and boost sex drive in the female. Ginseng roots are also a prominent herb for improving women's health. Firstly, ginseng lowers the pain and discomfort caused by menstrual cramps. Secondly, it improves cramping related to menstruation. Thirdly, women who are suffering from low libido or wants to improve their sex drive, then ginseng is beneficial for them. This problem arises because of the low estrogen level, and ginseng helps in enhancing estrogen production and boosting sex drive in a female. Number 7. Improves brain function. Ginseng roots are beneficial in enhancing mental health. It gives a feeling of calmness, boosts memory, behavior and mood. Ginseng contains components like ginsenosides and compound K that is effective in protecting the brain from damages caused by environmental free radicals. There are lots of proven studies that prove that Panax ginseng is capable of uplifting mood and improves mental performance. Number 8. Fight tiredness and increase energy levels. Ginseng is also capable of increasing energy production in cells and fighting fatigue and promoting energy. It also supports endurance and boosts stamina and strength. So, for enhancing physical stamina and strength, ginseng is very effective, and our best Panax ginseng supplement is made up of 100% ginseng extracts. Number 9. Strengthen the immune system. Some studies prove that ginseng can boost your immunity and even enhance the effects of certain vaccinations. It enhances the body's capability to resist and fight against various infections causing viruses and bacteria. Some other benefits of Panax ginseng extracts. 1. Reduces inflammation. 2. Have potential anti-cancer properties. 3. Lowers blood sugar levels. 4. Helpful in flu, influenza. 5. Helps in reducing early orgasm in men, premature ejaculation, dosage and other useful information. Each capsule of AgriPure's Panax ginseng is 300 mg and one bottle contains 60 capsules that are sufficient for 30 days. For best results of this supplement, you have to take one capsule 2 times a day. One capsule in the morning after breakfast and one capsule at night after dinner. You can have these tablets with lukewarm water or milk. People of every age can have this supplement for their better health. Also, no strict diet plan or any precaution required while having these tablets. Note: consume these tablets as prescribed without any gap and always maintain a positive mindset towards this medicine. Best is to make these capsules as a part of your diet so that you will never forget to consume them. Final words. So, if you want to buy a ginseng capsule for making yourself fit and healthy, then please give a try to AgriPure's best Panax ginseng supplement. It is 100% proven capsules that will work naturally inside your body and will never show any side effects. I guarantee you will never regret buying it, and it will surely help you in achieving your desired results. Also, we maintain the highest quality standards and we never compromise with our premium quality standards. For ensuring elite quality standards, we are FSSAI certified, GMP certified, ISO 9001 certified, and also all our products are clinically tested. This proves that our supplement is 100% safe and effective. At last, what are you waiting for? Never think at the time of investing on your health, as your health is not an expense, it's an investment. Buy now. For more information, you can call us on our customer care number +91 7906 127 882. And, to get an additional 10% discount on the 3-month pack, use the code 10DISC. Thank you. If you like the video, like it. If the video is not good, dislike it. If you still have any question, then comment below, I will surely reply to it. And, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe, as you get all health related information here for free.